So see here, in this class, what we will see, that is Sunday exam preparation. Okay. What are the important topics and syllabus? So first point is, what is the syllabus? Okay. Syllabus is only gravitation chapter. Okay. Gravitation, only gravitation. And you are having 20 question MCQ and 5 question, that is numerical answer. Okay. Clear? No need to write this in a notes. Okay. No need to write. This is just, how we can say, just discussion we can say. Okay. So that you will prepare well for coming exam. Right. No need to write, just listen. So see, syllabus is gravitation and up to covered. Up to covered in the sense up to potential, hai na? Yes, up to potential. So from beginning, Kepler's laws, then next gravity, everything, whatever we have finished, apogee, perigee, everything from page 1 to till potential. Understand? Okay, this is what the syllabus is. Now see what you have to study. You study about gravity first of all, where it is more, where it is less, what is the formulas. Particularly in previous exam we have learned, no, with depth how it is increasing, how it is decreasing, or whatever it is, है ना? With depth and with height also. Okay, on the surface, below the surface. Yes, no, even for planets and all, right? So first point is what? You study gravity. Gravity, है ना? Everything about gravity. Next, Newton's law of, or Newton's law तो नहीं, Newton's law of gravitation बोलेंगे, है ना? Newton's law of gravitation. On this also you may get the question. Okay. Next, you study all the graphs. You study all the graphs which are in the notebook carefully. Okay. You have to study these graphs also. Next, this gravity is there now. Gravity in terms of density. Gravity formulas you have to study in terms of density. Okay. What you have to study? Gravity in terms of density. So all gravity formulas in terms of density and all. Okay. Clear? Next one. In the last exam, we have solved some problems regarding with weight. Okay. Last exam, we have solved some problems regarding with weight, right? And I have given some important formulas. You can refer that. On that also you may get question. So be careful, revise well like last exam. Understood? Clear? Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kepler's laws also there. Okay, keep it in mind. Don't forget to revise one more time. Next, you see, next sometimes time period of Earth. Okay, time period of Earth due to contraction of radius. Time period of rotation, how it is going to affect, that also you have to study time period of Earth rotation due to contraction. Due to contraction means if radius will be what we can say, radius will contract or something like that. Like that models you may get in the exam. So revise once. Next, this gravity on another planet also. Gravity on another planet whose mass is comparatively, we have solved some problems. Gravity on another planet means whose radius is in terms of Earth, whose mass is in terms of Earth mass. Yes, no, we have solved, no. Like that questions also you may get. Okay. Right. Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
Next, this,
Yes, sir.
see, gravity, effect on gravity. This topic you have to revise. Effect on gravity due to depth. Okay. Next, due to height and due to rotation. This topic is very important. On this also you may get question. Effect on gravity due to depth, height and rotation. You know no formulas. Yes. Depth means what? GD is equal to G into 1 minus D by R. With height means what? G is equal to bolo G into 1 minus 2H by R. Even G by G is equal to R square by R plus H whole square. This is for large height. That is for smaller heights. Hai, you know this. Yes, no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Next,
Yes, sir.
for rotation, what is rotation? G phi. G phi is equal to G minus R omega square cos square phi. You know, no? This formula also you keep it in mind. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next,
Yes,
again, if you will see the notebook, Kepler's laws, in that aerial velocity, all these you know that all Kepler's laws, aerial velocity, angular momentum, like that. That also you have to revise. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Next, Newton's law of gravitation already I told. Okay, which we have finished. And next topic is, recently we have finished. No, what is that? What is that? Tell me. This rod, hai na? Gravitational field intensity. Yes, no? GFE. This is also important. What is that? Gravitational field intensity. This is due to what we have finished? We have finished due to shell, hai na? Next, rod, solid sphere. Yes. Yes, even ring also. Even ring also. Everything you study, axial point and all. Okay. Ring, shell, then rod, solid sphere. This is also important. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, you see again important topics. Null point is left now. Yes, null point. Even in gravitational field intensity, you have null points. No. Yes. This null point you study even in case of force also. Even in case of gravitational field intensity also, you have same formula. What is the formula? X is equal to what? T by under root m2 by m1 plus 1. This is same formula for both, and this plus 1 is out of the square root. You keep it in mind. Yes, yes, this plus 1 is out of the square root. Don't mix it. Last time so many students mixed here, hai na? In between, this is outside the root. Only this root is for m2 by m1. You see in the notebook clearly. Okay, revise note properly. Okay, next important is again, I think everything finished now. Yes, still finished, everything finished. No, on potential I have not given any question. Okay, right? So these still here, whatever we have
Okay,
finished,
sir.
everything covered. No, anything is left, you can tell me. Yes, everything covered. No, yes or no, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Start revising. Okay, and superposition. Yes, superposition may, you may get superposition also. Yes, superposition means we have solved problems even force also and gravitational field intensity also. So you may get like that questions also. So you prepare that part also. Okay. Okay. If you have any doubts,
Okay, sir.
whatever homework problems I have given, you just go through it once. In between you only, you can share those who got what you can say answers, you can share on the group so that others will get benefit. And whatever query you are having, you can post it on group tomorrow. I will solve your query on tomorrow. Okay, right?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt now? Please ask. Yes, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, then will you start preparing then?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
start
sir.
preparing, and you can call me direct. If you have doubt, direct call me. My number is there now. Direct call. Okay,
Okay,
right.
sir.
Then we will stop here. You start preparing. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye.